Many of you may have questions in regards to whether you should take Reflux or Reflux Pro, or you should do the Slow Motility Plus protocol or the Gastric Rehab protocol. This video is for you if you have those questions. So let me start out with, right out the bat, Reflux and Motility together is extremely effective. So these two products together, which we've been using a very long time in the Slow Motility Plus protocol, is extremely effective at both coating, shielding, helping the stomach lining, helping with intra-abdominal pressure, helping with gastrin levels. The digestion helps with the parasympathetic nervous system. It's helping increase serotonin levels, reduce cortisol levels. It is helping with constipation, diarrhea. Extremely amazing protocol. You have 3 clinically studied ingredients in the combination. Reflux has the Mucosave, which is coating the esophagus, the stomach lining, and for that matter, the intestinal system, which is super good in the intestinal system for nutrient absorption and restoring healthy hydration, natural hydration to the colon for constipation. So Mucosave, really, really good. Obviously, the pickernel artichoke leaf extract is going to help with significantly increasing bile secretion. That's important indirectly with helping with gastric emptying. It's helping with detoxification of the digestive system. You need bile for detoxification. Also really good for the gallbladder and liver, by the way. And you need bile in order to not have constipation. Low bile secretion equals constipation. The digestion ingredient, once again, in Motility is what we use to help the parasympathetic nervous system, the gut-brain axis, helps with stomach issues, helps with gastric emptying. So reflux, heartburn, burping, belching, nausea, stomach discomforts, constipation, diarrhea, helps with DAO enzyme production, helps increase gastrin levels. Extremely effective at the stomach, small intestine, and colon. So I don't want to take away from the fact that these two in the Slow Motility Plus protocol are extremely effective. If a person has stomach issues and constipation issues, this is extremely effective. That being said, we added the gut guard licorice flavonoids in the Reflux Pro for several reasons that I can't be super clear on because of compliance reasons for a supplement company, but I'm going to do my best, okay? So we added gut guard licorice flavonoids in with the Mucosave for a few reasons. One of the primary drivers behind really unhealthy inflammatory responses of the stomach lining and problems in the stomach is a microbial imbalance. Gut guard licorice flavonoids helps promote healthy microbial balance of the stomach. This is the gut guard licorice flavonoids also helps with gastric emptying. It's going to help the stomach lining and the intestinal lining. It's a way for us to have one product to do more, quicker, faster, but we also wanted to start doing some cleanup in step 1 for people that needed that help, right? So if you have severe stomach issues, you may want to consider the Reflux Pro or the Gastric Rehab Kit with Motility. You still need Motility. Like I said, the gut guard licorice flavonoids, very good with gastric emptying, very good with motility of the intestinal system. That being said, nothing is going to be as effective as the pickernel artichoke leaf extract with the digestion, for the reasons I've already explained. So all you're getting with Gastric Rehab is more, sooner, faster, and some people need more help sooner, faster with their stomach issues. So that's the difference. So once again, you're going to do great with Reflux and Motility. That being said, some people need some help doing cleanup in step 1, not waiting till step 2. And some people really have severe stomach issues. They have really bad, unhealthy inflammatory responses of the stomach lining. Their stomach lining has real problems. Their stomach has a real mess, and they may want to get some additional support. In that situation, you may want to consider the Gastric Rehab Protocol with the Reflux Pro. If you have any questions, as always, let us know. Appreciate it. Bye.